In some robotic applications, the environment is precisely known and humans cannot have any contact with the robot. If no collision with humans or objects is possible, the robot does not need to have collision detection. But what if, for example, humans are in the area around robots or perhaps even have to work with them? Then, safe collision detection is very important to ensure that nobody's injured and nothing is damaged. In every safe SensoJoint you get, there is a safe collision detection system with lots of features. From the introduction of the SensoJoints, you know that in addition to a wild tiger, a torque sensor is also integrated in every SensoJoint. This allows you to quickly and precisely detect unexpected changes in torque and then switch to a safe state. Because the torque is measured directly in the joint, a collision can also be detected at any point in the robot structure. So, if you want your robot to work together with people, or if you could collide with unknown objects, Sensodrive is the right partner for you.